7.RP.3, let's look at number 1. The tip for excellent service in a restaurant is $20 for every $100 of the meal. What is the total bill, the cost of the meal plus the tip for a $60 meal? Okay, so if we're looking at number 1, we know that it's $20 for every $100. But we didn't spend $100, we spent $60. So how much is the tip going to be? Now we could cross multiply and divide. And we really don't need a calculator for this. 6 times 2 is 12, and add the 2 zeros, equals 100 times x, which is 100x. Now we divide by 100, and again we don't need a calculator, because dividing by 100, these zeros will cancel, and we're left with 12. So the tip on $100 is 20, the tip on $60 will be 12. But it's not asking for the tip, it wants the total bill, the cost of the meal plus tip. How much was the meal? 60 plus the tip, which was 12, gives us 72. The answer to 1 is C. Moving on to 2. Department store has a discount on shoes based on a percentage of the price. Suppose one pair of shoes is marked down from 70 to 49. What is the price for a $110 pair of shoes after the discount's applied? So we're looking for the discount. So we're looking for the percent of change. And the percent of change is the change over the original. So a pair of shoes is marked down from 70 to 49. So how much did this change? How much is that change? 70 minus 49. 7 becomes a 6, that becomes a 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. So the price changed $21, and the original price was 70. So change over original. 21 divided by 70, and that is 0.3, which is 30%. It changed 30%. So what's the price for a $110 pair of shoes? Okay, so we're looking at what's the new price. If the original is 110, we don't want 100% of the price. We needed to mark down 30%. So it changed 30%. So what percent are we actually paying? Well, we're not paying 100%. It's being reduced 30%. So if 100% is being reduced 30%, we're actually paying 70%. 70 over 100. Now we will cross multiply. And we get 70 times 110 is, well, 7 times 11 is 77. Add the 2 zeros. 100 times x is 100x. Cross multiply, then we divide. Dividing by 100 just removes 2 zeros in that case. So for $110, we're actually going to pay, well, before tax, 77, so the answer to 2 is B.